Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia and you're watching mamaameah. If you're new here, if you're not new here, thanks for coming back, girl. I love you, I appreciate you, you my dog. So anyway, today I am going to try all the fall drinks of Starbucks. And it's the anxiety for me because I don't drink pumpkin. I don't like pumpkin. It's not that I don't like pumpkin spice. Let me not say that. I more so never really like the smell. So I don't eat pumpkin pie. I don't drink pumpkin drinks. Anything pumpkin, I just kind of, like, it's just not happening. So, in honor of Vlogtober, me trying to get in full October, fall, Halloween mode, this year I wanted to try it. I want to give it a try. Let me stop judging stuff. Everybody like it. It must be some type of vibe to it if everybody drinking it, right? So I'm gonna go try the drinks. And first I have to go get a COVID test. Second, I'm gonna go get my kids. Third, I'm gonna go pick up those drinks. And hopefully you guys, y'all just stick with me. And by the way, y'all see my shirt? I'm just trying to get in the spirit, y'all. That's all I'm trying to do. Hang with y'all. I'm trying to hang with y'all today. All right, get in the spirit. Enjoy October. I've been putting out consistent content. If you haven't seen any of my Vlogtober videos, just go to my description box, check it out right now. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe. I have more to come. I'm gonna be back tomorrow, the day after that, the day after that, the day after that. So yep, let's just get it started. I also do not have my tripod, so y'all can't ride with your girl today. I'm kind of sad about that, but I'll just see y'all when I stop to go get my COVID test. Wish me luck. Oh. I'm about to order right now, so I guess I just like pull up and say give me all fall drinks because the kids are in the back. Y'all say hi to YouTube.
Hi. Hi YouTube. Hi YouTube. Hi YouTube.
Alright. So my friends, they gave me some drinks to try. So I'm gonna order the 2 drinks that they told me to try. Like exactly how they told me to try them. Like they did their own little modifications. And then I'm gonna just try regular fall drinks, like just period, like what it is. And so y'all, my eyelash is like falling off. My eyes is watering from that COVID test.
Wait, help me. Good big double stomach.
I'm so freaking excited because that's what I love about like YouTube. Like, side note, that's what I love about YouTube. It really kind of like make me step out of my comfort zone and try new things and kind of get out my regular routine that I'm used to. So I'm really excited to do this, even though I hate pumpkin smell. Let's see how it tastes.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can we get started for you today?
Hi, that tastes like pumpkin. You guys don't like pumpkin, do you? I'll share my pastries with you guys, okay? How does that sound? Sounds good. Are you guys excited to go home? Oh.
Mommy, I am like pumpkin cake pops.
You said what? You do like pumpkin cake pops? Alright, so I have about for drinks. The guy was like, all of this is for you. So I'm gonna try it, see how I feel about it. And I'm thinking maybe just try it with my kids, because I don't know about y'all little kids, but Mason loves Starbucks. I don't know how that happened, but he always trying to make my Starbucks. You know, I don't even know. I told him to write everything because I don't know what I ordered. I was like, just give me one of everything. I still got a receipt. Hold on, it might be in my app. All right, so I got a Fox cake pop. Cake pop, so oh, they had unicorn. I asked this man what he had. He gonna tell me Fox. All right, so that's for sure what I got. I don't know. Pumpkin cream cheese muff. Oh my god. I don't know how I feel about this, y'all. The smell just hit me, and I'm like, I don't know, but it looks good. Let me lay all of this stuff out. So I'm putting my drinks right here. All right. And then I'll do the cake pop, the cream muffin. This is literally like right on top of my desk. Like I was working and then I just decided to do it. So pumpkin scones. All right, so the pumpkin scone. I don't know. Okay, why would I do this? It's the content for me. I gotta do it for the content. I need to do this. So the first thing I'm going to try is the iced tea latte with oat milk with 1 pump of pumpkin cream, iced. So this is what my friend recommended. She said that I would like it. I told her I don't like pumpkin, and she was like, don't worry about that. Try this. You're gonna like this. So, Key, this is for you. Let's see. It tastes exactly how it smells. It tastes exactly how it smells. It's not bad though. It's not bad. I like it. All right. So I'm gonna try a bite of this cake pop so I can just give it to my son because he been begging for it since I picked it up. Oh, it's a regular cake pop. I'm thinking it's fall, like it's pumpkin or something. I don't want that. That's too sweet. All right. Let's see. So this must be the macchiato. This is what my other baby recommended. Raquel. Let me read off the name because I got it in my thing. Apple crisp macchiato hot. Caramel apple spice with whip. Oh, this smells so. Oh my. Okay, I'm gonna save this for last because this smells really good. And I was just about to say the barista told me to drink my cold first and then my hot. So let me try. pumpkin frappe. Please ignore the background arguing. My kids are kind of insane. And then also it's so hot. It's October, but it's still hot in Southern California. Y'all know how that goes. So I need my AC on at all times. Your girl is melting. So I got the pumpkin spice frappuccino, but he didn't recommend the apple crisp frappuccino because I feel like I would like that one. This ain't bad. The drinks ain't bad, actually. I thought I would like literally be like gagging because the smell. This is good. I like this. The chai pumpkin is kind of like airy. Maybe I should shake it. Ain't that what we be doing with their Starbucks? They shake it a little. I'll try that again, but this is this one good. I like that. I probably would have liked that apple crisp too. I'm gonna have to go back for that. So this is the pumpkin spice latte. Come in. Oh, y'all, I'm about to give him this pop. Thumbs up. Okay. That's enough. Let's see. Taste this one now. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. He gave us a thumbs up, y'all.
Mommy, what's that one?
That one's hot, so you can't drink that one. Try the thing.
Mommy, do you hear my song?
Good job. No, I was in here I'm filming with Mason.
Hi.
You wanna try? Alright, come here.
I want a bite.
Get closer.
I want a bite.
Okay. Thumbs up or thumbs down, Malie? Thumbs up? You like it? Okay, now it's Malia's turn to taste the cake pop. See if you hold it. See if you like it.
I like it.
You like it? Okay, so now we gotta try the pumpkin spice latte. Let's see.
It's so yummy.
Let me find out I've been missing out on something my whole life. This is y'all, this is delicious.
Mom, is that hot? Yeah.
So good. Oh my god.
I think they're all gonna go with it. Oh, yummy.
Y'all, I love this pumpkin spice latte. Wait, so is that seasonal? They only sell that in fall? Is that what all the hype is? They gonna take it from us? About to get that every day. They about to take that. All right. So let me try the macchiato now. Apple crisp macchiato.
I'm gonna need to be full every day.
This smells good. I'm really excited to try this one.
Mommy, did you open up this?
Yeah. It tastes like apple cider, but like foamy and milky. Like, you know how you put milk in tea sometimes? That's the vibe it's getting. Okay, you like the scone? Alright, give it to Malik. Let her try it. Malik, you gotta get in. Did you want to take your backpack off, Steve?
Oh, yeah.
It's It's almost going. You guys can share. Huh? Try the scone. Come over here so they can see you.
Mommy, we have this.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
I like it, the top part.
You like the top part?
Me too. I like the down part and the top part. Wait, I want to make one die. I
It's
like
like the one.
this part.
No. Mm-mm.
Mom, we have this.
Mm-mm.
Mom, we have one more bite, but
One more bite and then let your sister finish it. All right, you could have the scone.
Look. It fit in her mouth.
Okay. So far the drinks are good. So I like pumpkin drink. I can that especially that the apple crisp. I love that, and I like the pumpkin latte. I'm more so like the hot pumpkin drinks. These cold pumpkin drinks I can do without. The Frappe was good, but definitely not the best. But these lattes, and then you gotta think in mind, I don't really drink lattes. I drink coffee with a little bit of creamer. That's my everyday drink. That's what I drink every day. I don't stray away from my drink. That's what I'm telling y'all. Like, I'm very consistent. Ooh, it's the lash for me.
I want the down bite and the up bite. Mommy.
Thank you, baby. All right, so let's try the muffin now.
Oh.
It's the muffin's turn. Do you know the Muffin Man?
Yeah. Do you know a muffin man? A muffin man. Do you know a muffin man? Every single morning.
Emily.
Thumb up, mommy.
Thumbs up.
mommy.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
But we have one bite.
I like that. That's actually really good.
All the food.
Do y'all want this scone? All right, let me put it on a napkin for y'all. And then you can step out my office so I can continue recording. Y'all, this is what it's like filming. Trying to be a YouTuber, trying to be a mom, trying to be a full-time employee. It's a lot. It's a lot going on. Like, my life. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. Anyway, this concludes the tasting. I absolutely love them. Starbucks knew what it was doing. I guess I'm just late on the train because I wouldn't even expect this. And I'm just glad I decided to try something new because now I have an everyday drink, this apple crisp. I love it. I love the crisp so much. And I literally work by Starbucks. I go to Starbucks every day. I get me a refresher. Y'all know it's like 100 degrees out here in Southern California. So, but once it starts getting cold, it's definitely about to be below 0. It's really cold where I'm from. When it gets cold, it gets cold, okay? So now I got me a hot drink. I got me a little hot drink that I could try. I love this. I love this for me. It's the vibes. Where's the latte? It's the vibes. It's the vibes. Oh, I'm about to be walking around with my latte and my Uggs, my big coat, my big, what are those things called? Bubble coat. It's the vibes. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for coming along on this journey with me because I'm telling you, like, I wasn't expecting to like none of this stuff. And so far, it was only one that I had to spit out because that was gross. I don't know how the kids are eating it, but it was disgusting. But everything else was pretty decent. My favorite would have to be the apple crisp macchiato. And also, please press subscribe. I'm coming to you every day this month. I'm shooting out videos every single day. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, make sure you like. Love you guys. Thanks for supporting me. Bye.